this tutorial, I'll show you how to create and send emails using N8N. This is one of the most useful automations because it allows you to send personalized emails automatically based on triggers or data sources. Start by opening N8N and creating a new workflow. Add a manual trigger if you're testing, or a schedule trigger if you want the emails to be sent automatically at specific times. Next, connect your data source. This can be Google Sheets, a form submission, a CRM, or any app that contains recipient information like names and email addresses. After that, add a set node to organize your email data. This helps you structure important fields such as the recipient's name, email address, subject line, and message content. Now add a send email node. You can use Gale, SMTP, or another email provider supported by N8N. Connect your email account credentials to allow N8N to send emails on your behalf. Once connected, configure the email fields. Set the recipient email in the To field, define your subject line, and write your message body. You can also use dynamic expressions like $, email to automatically pull data from previous nodes. Before activating the workflow, run a test to make sure everything works correctly. Check if the email is received and verify that all dynamic fields are properly filled in. If needed, you can add filters or conditions to control when emails are sent, such as only sending emails to specific leads or when certain conditions are met. Once everything is working correctly, activate the workflow. N8N will now automatically send emails based on your trigger and data source. And that's how to create and send emails using N8N. Connect your data, configure your email node, test the workflow, and automate your email sending process.